Hi everyone. In this video, we're looking at how to make a Google Doc public on the web. There are two main ways to do this, depending on what you need. The first method is sharing with anyone with the link. This creates a shareable URL that anyone who has it can access, but the document won't appear in search results. Open your Google Doc and click the blue Share button in the top right corner. Under General Access, click the drop-down arrow next to Restricted. Select anyone with the link. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to Viewer. Click that and choose your preferred permission level. For public sharing, Viewer is recommended. Click Copy Link to grab the URL, then click Done. When you share outside your organization, a small building icon will appear next to the Share button, and the link is now copied to your clipboard ready to paste anywhere. The second method is Publish to Web. This publishes your document as a web page that can be visible to everyone on the web and may appear in search results. Open your Google Doc, then click File from the menu. Click Share, then Publish to Web. In the window that appears, you'll see two tabs, Link and Embed. Stay on the Link tab for a standard web page URL. If you want a static version, click Published Content and Settings and uncheck Automatically Republish when changes are made. Click Publish, then click OK in the confirmation dialog. Copy the URL provided. Others will see a version with no toolbar. To stop sharing via the first method, return to Share Settings and change anyone with the link back to Restricted. To stop publishing via the second method, click File, Share, Publish to Web, Published Content and Settings, then Stop Publishing. Be careful when publishing private or sensitive information, and if you're using a work or school account, your administrator might have disabled the ability to publish files. Thanks for watching.